Does a dollar times a dollar equal $1? Or does a dollar times a dollar equal $2? I have never seen anywhere in the universe where an action times an action doesn't have a reaction. So now that's why we need to discuss this. Because an area, a length times a length has to have an area. So you can't have a 1 times 1 having equaling 1, because now what happened to the length times the length? It's the area is no longer in existence.
Terrence Howard is like a legitimate genius. Like he's like, you talk to the guy is absolutely brilliant.
They don't want you to know that, because then you will know, and this is going to make them angry. I'm at the point now where I'm ready to war. So I challenge any chemist, any physicist, any astrophysicist, any cosmologist, any biologist, anyone within the fields of science to come and challenge me. These are proofs. This isn't theories anymore. You know how I figured it out? What's 1 times 1?
1 times 1 is 1.
To multiply means to do what? To make more, right?
Yes.
Increase in number?
Yes.
Multiply?
Yes.
How can 1 times 1 equaling 1 be part of the multiplication table? It's supposed to satisfy the term multiply. It doesn't multiply. That's saying x cubed is equal to 2x, which is equal to x plus x. That's an unnatural equation. That's a mathematical fallacy. And that's the beginning of your math. Someone programmed that lie in there and lied to you and everyone, and all your fundamentals are off.
If you go by your logic, and if you define beforehand that something, like, logically it makes the most sense that 1 times 1, and then that's where the mathematical convention comes in, and that's like most last part of math is convention. It's how it has been defined. It's a matter of definition.
With that thing that I showed you, did you look at the square root of 2? Do you think that that's a loop? That's a natural thing with the square root of 2? Did you believe that?
Pi, there's like a mathematical.
No, it's not the same though. It's not the same with pi. What we just did, we multiplied it, we cubed the number, and then we divided it by 2, and we cubed it again and divided it by 2, and we did that a number of times, and that number still remained the same exact number, which we know cannot happen. All of our math is based upon approximation, unrealistic things. And that's why they're angry at me, because I'm upsetting their cart. But in order for us to advance to a level 1 society, a level 1 civilization, we have to abandon the lie. No matter how attached to it we are, no matter how much, if you find out that the foundation of your house is about to crack and you've got many, many stories of generations on top of it, you pull all those people out and you fix that foundation. They don't want to do that with our math. They would rather let us die. I'm here, I don't care what happens. I'm here to bring the truth at whatever cost that comes with it. But the truth is here, that's why I put the book out for free. The oldest images that we have from antiquity and found on every continent is this image where 64 circles are overlapped. And it's called the flower of life. And on every continent it was found, in whatever language, it was always called the flower of life. Well, 6,000 years ago, or however long ago, someone had the clever idea of saying, you know what, why don't I draw straight lines where the circles overlap? It's an approximation. But most of our math is our algebra, our calculus. All of those things are generated through this circumstance, which also led into why 1 times 1, could not possibly equal 1, because what if you made each side of those lengths 1? Then you couldn't get the proper hypotenuse.